Hello everyone. Over the past week, we have received a bunch of leaks and news related to the next foldable phone of the Huawei Mate X3. However, the company has not confirmed or announced any information about the release of new generation folding phone. In the midst of March 2022, the Huawei phone with codename PAL-AL00 has obtained the MIIT certification, which is reported to be Mate X3. The listing discloses that it is equipped with Harmony OS operating system and supports 4G networks. Now, a Vivo tipster has come up with another piece of news about the Huawei Mate X3. It features outward folding and punch-hole design on the right side display. Further, another blogger mentioned that the upcoming Mate X3 will have a larger display than flagship Mate 50 series. Speaking about the design, it seems that Huawei is again continuing outward folding design with Mate X3, which was discontinued with Mate X2 and P50 Pocket. For your information, the Mate X2 was launched with an inward fold design and the P50 arrived with vertical fold design. At present, Huawei has only developed the testing models of Mate X3. We don't have information regarding the mass production of this device. More information is yet to come. Until then, stay connected with us. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.